Create a database. A database is defined as a collection of information that is organized and stored in one place. Multiple people can access the database. Databases are classified and organized according to different categories. These databases are found everywhere. They are used in colleges and universities, banks, libraries, and even in your own home. If you have a business, a database is useful in organizing the information that you use for your business. Creating a database can be easy. Once you get the hang of it, you will be able to enjoy the benefits of using a database in your business. Here are the steps on how you can create your own database. Choose database software. The easiest way you can create your own database is by using database software. There are various database programs that you can choose from. If you are going to build a database for personal use or for a small-scale business, you can choose from different desktop database software. Some of these are FileMaker Pro and Microsoft Access. If you are going to create a database for a big company, you can choose from server database software. Some examples of these are Oracle and MySQL. The database performance will depend on what you are going to use it for. This software sells for about $100 to $200. Install and familiarize. The next thing you have to do is to install the software and familiarize yourself with the features. Database software comes with a help feature. Another thing you can do is to search for online tutorials on how you can create a database using the software. There are a lot of tutorials online that teach the basics of using the software and also the advanced tips and tricks that you can do with the software. Categories. Organizing your database is a must so that you can find records and data easily. What you can do is to segregate the data that you are going to input in different categories. Put all the images together and put all the texts together. By doing this, you will have a more organized database. You can also add subcategories for each category to make your database more specific. This can be seen as database art or the art of arranging information into categories. Adding specifics. You can now enter information on your database. You can also add some specific information to make your database more complete. Whether you are using your database for personal use or business use, it is important to update your database. In addition, it is important to create a backup copy of the entire database if ever something happens to the computer. For database replication, what you can do is to store the information online. These are the steps on how you can create a database. For more information or tutorials, you can search online for database creation tutorials. You can find these tutorials in text form or sometimes in video form.